Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare cream cheese at home. This cream cheese can be used for cake frosting, sandwich spreads and also with other recipes. Ingredients: half liter milk, 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Switch on the stove and allow the milk to boil. Once the milk rises, switch off the stove. Now gently stir the milk for about 1 minute. Gradually add the lime juice mixed with some water to the milk pan in small quantities. You will notice to see the milk will start to curdle. Preparing cream cheese at home will take you less than 10 minutes. If you're here for the first time, press the subscribe button and do not forget to click the bell icon. Once the milk has curdled, it looks like this. Now let us take a bowl. Once the curdled milk has cooled down, we are going to strain it. Place the strainer inside the bowl. Now let us place the clean wet cotton cloth inside the strainer. Once the curdled milk has cooled down, now gently pour the curdled milk into the strainer. Now let us strain the excess away from the curd. Now let us gently squeeze it with the help of a cotton cloth. Now we have separated curd and whey protein. Do not throw away this whey protein, it is nutritious. You can add in vegetable soup or other recipes. Now take a bowl and place the strainer. Now let us add some water to the curd to remove the sour taste. Now gently strain it. Now take a mixer jar. Now place the curd into the mixer jar. Now you may break the curd into small pieces. Now let us add 1 pinch of salt and grind them to a creamy texture. Now our cream cheese is ready. I wanted it in a thick consistency as I am preparing it for a cake frosting. If you would like to have even more smooth texture, you may add 1 or 2 tablespoons of whey to it while grinding. Now our delicious cream cheese is ready. It just took us less than 10 minutes for its preparation. It's very simple and easy. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.